In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your clan name here in Clash Royale. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It lets us know that you want more Clash Royale content like this, and it really does help out the channel. But if you're wondering how you can change your clan name here in Clash Royale, here's the truth. You technically can't change your clan name once it's created, not even if you're the leader or co-leader. To actually go ahead and attempt this though, go ahead and click on your clan and then click on the clan icon up in the top right corner. But when you click on the name itself, you're going to realize that it's locked and there's nothing you can really do about this at all. The only way to have a different name for your clan in Clash Royale is by creating a brand new clan with your desired name. Unfortunately though, that does mean you do have to start from scratch, including all of your trophies, all of your members, and your clan level. However, you can still customize your clan's look by changing the clan badge anytime. Unfortunately, that is the case for Clash Royale. Maybe in the future this will get added, but probably not. If you do have any questions, let us know down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you leave this video, make sure to like it and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more guides like this. Have a great day. Peace.